Hello students. So today we are going to learn one a new topic known as body mass. Do you all know what is a body mass? Many of you are knowing that what is a body mass. So let us start. Body mass. BODMANS. B stands for what? Bracket. O of divide. M stands for multiply, addition, and this is for subtraction. So, good evening, students. I am Nirali Shah. Welcome to my channel. And I have started 9th and 10th core and extended paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and paper 4. So, let us start the journey. And we have reached 1.14 exercise till now. Today, we are going to complete this. But how? So bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. So when there is an expression which contains bracket, which contains multiplication, which contains division, which contains multiply, addition and subtraction. So what will you solve first? So you have to solve first bracket. Do the operations which are in the bracket. Then divide, then multiply, then add and then subtract. Okay, otherwise if you don't follow this word mass your answer will be different from the original answer. So let us start and let us learn how to do this. So question 1 a is 4 plus 7 into 3. See, first what we have to solve? Operation in the bracket. That means 4 plus 7 is what? 11 and multiplied by 3, which is equal to what? 33. B 20 minus 4 divide by 4. So first of all solve the operation which is inside the bracket. So 20 minus 4, whatever it will the operation, it can be addition, it can be multiplication, whatever, but you have to first solve the numbers which are in the bracket. So 20 minus 4 is 16 and then divide by 4, which is equal to 4. Then the C is 50 divided by 20 plus 5. So 50 divided by 20 plus 5 is 25 and 50 divided by 25 is 2. D 6 multiplied by 2 plus 9. So 6 multiplied by 11 which is equal to 66. E 4 plus 7 into 4. So 4 plus 7 is 11 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 44. Then F is 100 minus 40 multiplied by 3. So 100 minus 40 is 60 multiplied by 3 which is equal to what? 180. Then G 16 plus 25 divided by 5. So 16 plus 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 16 plus 5 is what? 21. H is 19 minus 12 plus 2. So 19 minus 14 which is equal to what? 5. I 40 40 divided by 12 minus 4. So 40 divided by 12 minus 4 is 8. 40 divided by 8 is what? 5. Then the J 100 divided by 4 plus 16. So 100 divided by 20 which will be equal to 5. And then K 121 121 divide by 33 divide by 3. So 121 divided by 33 divided by 3 is 11, which is equal to 11, because 11 into 11 is what? 121. L. 15 multiplied by 15 minus 15. So 15 multiplied by 0, which will be equal to what? 0. In question 1, there was only one bracket. Now in question 2, there are two brackets. Right? So let us start. A is 4 plus 8 multiplied by 16 minus 7. So 4 plus 8 is what? 12 multiplied by 16 minus 7 is what? Is 9. And 12 nines are is what? Is 108. B. 12 minus 4 multiplied by 6 plus 3. So 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So 8 nines are what? 72. 3. 9 plus 4 minus 4 plus 6. So 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 4 plus 6 is 10. So 13 minus 10 is what? D. 33 plus 17 divide by 10 minus 5. So 33 plus 17 is what? Is 50 divide by 5. So which will be equal to 10. Then E will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 8 plus 8 is a what? 24. So this will be equal to what? 32. F. 9 multiplied by 7 divide by 27 minus 20. So 9 sevens are what? It is 63. Divide by 27 minus 20 is what? 7. And 7 nines are 63. So 9 is not. 105 minus 85 divide by 16 divide by 4. So 105 minus this is 0 and 2 divide by 16 divide by 4 is 4. So 20 divided by 4 is what? 5. Now the H. 12 plus 13 divide by 5 square. It is 5 square. Means what? 5 square means what? 5 into 5, 25. So 12 plus 13 is what? 25 divide by 25, which is equal to what? 1. I. 56 minus 6 square multiplied by 4 plus 3. See, 56 minus 36 multiplied by 7. So 56 minus 36 is what? Is 20 multiplied by 7, which is equal to what? 140. Let me explain you the brackets. This is the square bracket and this is the small bracket. Small bracket is always inside the square bracket. So you have to first solve the small bracket and then the square bracket, and then you have to further proceed. So question number 3 is A. 4 plus 12 minus 8 minus 5. As I told you, you have to first perform 8 minus 5, then big bracket, and then plus 4. So this is equal to 4 plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 9, which is equal to what? 13. B. 6 plus 6 plus 2 minus 2 into 0. So 6 plus 2 minus 0. So 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. C is 8. 8 plus 60 minus 2 plus 8. So 8 plus 60 minus 10. So 8 plus 50, which is equal to what? 58. Then the D is 200 minus 4 plus 12 minus 6 plus 2, and everything this is in square bracket. So 200 minus 4 plus 12 is 16, minus 6 plus 2 is 8. So 200 minus 16 minus 8 is 8, and this is nothing but 192. Is 200 multiplied by 100 minus 4 into 2 plus 8, and then this bracket close. Fine. So 200 multiplied by, keep this 100 as it is, keep this bracket as it is, 4 multiplied by 10, then 200 multiplied by 100 minus 40, then 200 multiplied by what? This is 60, which is equal to 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So it is nothing but 12,000. Then F is 6 plus 5 into 2 plus 30 into 10. So first of all, 6 plus 5 into 2, it is nothing but 32 into 10. So 6 plus 32 into 5, 160 into 10. So 166 into 10. So it's 1660. Remember, you have to do this sums like this only. And BODMAS rule is not only for this chapter. Remember this rule forever. It will be continued now onwards. Okay. So wherever in physics also, if in chemistry also, if you come across a sum like this, then you have to perform a BODMAS, and you have to find the answers by using BODMAS rule only. So G is flower bracket, small bracket, 30 plus 12 minus 7 plus 9, then square bracket into 10. Okay. So 30 plus 12 is what? 42 minus 7 plus 9 is what? It is nothing but 16 into 10. So this is nothing but 6, and 3 minus 1 is 2 into 10. So which is nothing but, so now H is equal to 6 into 20 divided by 4 minus 6 minus 3 plus 2 and square bracket. So 6 multiplied by 5 minus 3 plus 2. Now, so according to BODMAS, addition, you have to do first addition and then subtraction. So 6 into 5 minus 1, 6 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 24. Then the I last, it's 1000 minus 6 into 4 plus 20 minus 4 into 3 plus 0. So it's 1000 minus 6 into 24 minus 4 into 3. So it's 1000 minus 24 6 6 4 क्या है 24, 12 and 2, it's 14 minus ये क्या होगा 12. So 1000 minus 12 is 132, and this is nothing but 8. 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8. So the answer is 868. Calculate. A is 6 plus 72, which is equal to what? 78. B, 29 minus 23, which is equal to what? 6. C, 8 into 42, which is equal to 336. 20 minus 4 divided by 2. So it's 20 minus 2, so it's 18. So E is 31 minus 10 upon 14 minus 7. So it's nothing but 21 upon 7. So it is equal to 3. Then the F is 100 minus 40 divided by 5 into 40. So 100 minus 40 is 60 divided by 20, which is also equal to 3. Root of 100 minus 36, it is equal to root of 64, which is equal to root of 8 square, which is equal to 8. H, root of 8 plus 8, it is equal to root of 16, which is equal to root of 4 square, which is equal to 4. I, root of 90 minus 90, it is equal to 81, which is equal to 9 square, which is equal to 9. Question number 5. Insert the brackets into the following calculations to make them true. So this time what we have to do is, we have to do exactly opposite what we did till question number 4. So till question number 4 we had followed the BODMAS rule and calculate the expressions and find the answers. So now here we have to input the brackets so that the answer will be justified. So in A, see, it is 3 into 4 plus 6. So according to BODMAS, multiplication comes first and then addition. So what will we do here is, so 4 plus 6. So 3 into 4 plus 6. Here there is no concept of addition or multiplication. Here first of all bracket is important. So 90. So here we will put the bracket. So 25 minus 15 is what? 10, and 10 into 9 is 90. Here it is 90. So 40 minus 10 is 30, and 30 into 3 is 90. Here we have to bring the 10. So 14 minus 9 is 5, and 5 into 2 is 10. Here 12 plus is 15, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. 19 minus 9 is 10, and 10 into 15 is 150. Then so 10 plus 10 and 6 minus 2. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Here we will put 3 plus 8 multiplied by 5, 15 minus 9 is 66. Then 9 minus 4 is 5, and 5 9s are 45. 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 5s are 30. So yes, 3 and 3 plus it is 2, and 2 plus 15. No, this will not come. So we have to bring the 5. So 6 divided by 2 is 6 divided by 3 is 2. No, here we can do like this. 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 1 into 5 is 5. Then 12. So obviously 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 15 minus 3 is what? 12. Then 20, we have to bring the 20. So it's 1 plus 4 is 5 and 20 divided by 5 is 4 and 5 into 4 is what? 20. 8 plus 5, it will be like this. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 minus 3 is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20. And then we have to bring the 6. So 6 कैसे आएगा? यहाँ पे 6 आना चाहिए. So 9 and 9 4s are 4 minus 1 is 3. So what we will do is here. So 9 minus 9 minus 3 is 6 and 36 divided by 6 is 6. So when we follow the broad mass now, so at that time bracket is not needed. Fine. To follow the broad mass, bracket is not needed. So 3 into 4. So keep it like this, 4 minus 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 divided by 6 is 1. 11 आना चाहिए. So it will be like this only. 40 divided by 4 is what? 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So now here in 24, strictly BODMAS will follow. That means first of all multiplication. So in multiplication this is 16 and this is 6 plus 2. So 16 plus 8 is what? 24. Okay. So we have not put the brackets because when if we use a BODMAS need not require the brackets. It simply follow the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule. Okay, so here our 1.14 exercise is completed. In next Friday we will complete 1.15 exercise. If you find this video very helpful, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.